So today we're going to show you 3 important chasses, and they are the Lockstep, the ronde chasse, as well as the twist chasse.
What just happened? Cha-cha just happened.
Whether you're a leader or follower, you got to do them.
Footwork. You're gonna go forward on the right foot. Hook that left foot behind, and then forward right, hook, and then forward right. Now it's a swivel into a check with the left leg. You're gonna ronde the left leg all the way around, rock step, replace side left. Now it's a back rock on the right. And then we're gonna replace the left, cross chasse. We're gonna go cross, close, and then side right. Let's switch.
All right, let's do the other side. Now, left leg comes forward, hook your right leg behind, and a lock, left, right, left. Then a check, right foot comes forward, ronde your right foot, and do a back, replace to the left, a side on the right. Left foot rocking back, replace to the right, and a cross chasse. Cross your left foot, close your right, and then step to the side on the left. Our chasses broken down. A mirror image. This is your right side. So this routine has 3 different types of chasses. And we go. Right foot, hook, and the first chasse is a lock. Cha, cha, cha. Followed by a check. Second chasse is a ronde. Back and side, a ronde chasse. And then we do a rock step followed by a cross chasse. 3 chasses. Let's see on the other side. And left hook, lock step, chasse. Check, ronde, chasse. And rock, step, cross, chasse.
Also known as twist chasse.
3 different chasses that you absolutely must know because they are everywhere in your cha-cha-cha. So you better get them down.
Okay, we're gonna do the timing. So, again, mirror image. That's your right side. And we're gonna go cross, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and other side. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Hey, the timing seemed
Kind of repetitive. It's repetitive.
It's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You know the timing. Do it.
You're gonna get those down because, like I said, they're everywhere. How many times did I say that in this video?
Everywhere!
Everywhere! And not only are they everywhere, but in this routine, it's specially designed so that you can do them on both sides.
Yeah!
Yeah, so you are even, well-balanced, individual, well-balanced cha-cha dancer. You. Rainbow.
Be
yay.
subscribed to the rainbow of us. We look forward to seeing you
In the next video.
It's over. Why are you still watching the video? I don't know. Bye.
We'll have more routines for you. Okay, bye.